Welcome to another video. Here I am with my daughter, and today I have amazing tips for you so that you can start elevating your credit this 2025, because you don't want to start this 2025 with the credit looking like BS. You want to start with a good credit and deleting all the negative items on your credit report so that you can build your credit again, or if you have no credit, start in the right path. In today's video, I'm going to let you know what are you going to do with all those charge-offs that you have reporting on your credit report. But first, let me clarify what charge-offs are. Charge-offs are accounts that were closed with a balance, and the bank has put this account as a charge-off. If you look at the meaning of charge-off, that means that the charge was discharged. They put that in their taxes as if it's a loss. So now, to say it like that, you are forgiven. They don't want to say it, but that's what it is. Now, when they put your account as a charge-off on your credit report, they're supposed to follow specific things so that you are aware of what's going on. One of those things is they are supposed to send you a 1099-C form where they are discharging the debt. This is because you need to put that form on your taxes for that upcoming year so that you can pay the corresponding taxes on that whole balance that you own, because it's as an income that you're going to be reporting. Remember, it's not going to be the whole debt that you're going to pay, but the tax of that debt. It's nothing compared to the amount that you own. So this is going to save you a lot of dollars. You're not going to have to go to a debt consolidation or whoever you think to help you. You can do this by yourself. So what are you going to do? You are going to send the bank, using the CFPB website, a request for your 1099-C. Listen to me, this part is very important. You're not going to call them to ask them for the 1099-C. They're not going to give it to you. No, remember, they don't want to help you. You are going to have that in writing. So you are going to take a screenshot of your credit report where the account is reporting, it's been reporting as a charge-off. You're going to take those screenshots and save it, and you're going to create a letter requesting the 1099-C form from the bank. But you're also going to send that letter to the credit bureaus just in case, because we are not stupid this 2025. We are not stupid, right?
Not stupid. We are going to be millionaire.
What does that have to do with the video?
It's called Tactical Millionaire Skills. You're gonna learn it from my mother.
After we do that, right, we're going to use the CFPB website to send them this request, correct? You are going to wait a few days, 30 days. They are going to send it to you. You have proof now that they are reporting that on your credit report as a charge-off, meaning you need your 1099-C. Don't come to me saying that you are not aware. We have screenshots right here that we are going to send you as a proof that you are. We are not stupid. So what is the benefit of requesting a 1099-C? Girl or boy, after you have that paper, the 1099-C form with the debt discharge, and the credit reporting agencies are reporting that whole amount on your credit report like you owe them, that's inaccurate information reporting on your report. So they are violating the FCRA that protects us consumer from violations and all of that stuff that they do to us to keep us Rugio, like I said in Spanish. Yeah, so give them the meaning of Rugio so that they know.
Okay, so as a Dominican, we say Rugio because Rugio means broke, poor, homeless. Yeah, that's the meaning. It's the meaning of broke, homeless, poor, no mula, no money, 25 cents.
Anyways, Rugio is like someone that has their finances looking like shit, right? And yeah, what happened?
Rugio is also the meaning of somebody who only has $0 in their bank account.
I not like that. Anyways, so you know they want to keep us Rugio. but we're not no Rugios right here because we know our laws that are going to protect us. So you're going to send them the 1099-C request, and you're going to wait 30 days. And when the 30 days come, I bet they're going to be sending you something, if not the 1099-Cs. And with that 1099-C, you're going to send a dispute letter to the credit bureaus requesting an update, if not a deletion, of these accounts from your credit report if they cannot verify that the information is accurate in all the 3 bureaus. So get it together, credit bureaus. We are looking at you. We are watching you.
We are baddies.
Yeah, because this 2025, none of my followers are gonna be Rugios. Hell no. No. So with this being said, very important for you to start taking action with these credit bureaus and these companies and financial institutions, because you cannot let them put you down. They don't have the power, you do. Because remember, in the first place, you would not be able to lend money if you don't have the Social Security. Learn what your Social Security is. If is your credit card to access money. Federal Reserve, there's a lot of information that's missing, that when you start connecting the dots, you are like, oh my god, so they have been using me this whole time. Yes, they are. So be smart, right? Be smart. So another thing I want to point out in this video, just so that I don't forget, is that make sure you have a good monitor, a good credit monitor, where you can see your 3 credit bureaus. And that credit monitor is My Free Score Now. Tell them.
My Free Score Now, donde no te vas a quedar Rugio.
Yes, My Free Score Now is a credit monitor that is used for you to check your 3 bureau report. It's going to have all the information you need to dispute these items from your credit report, and it's going to give you everything easily to read and digest. So make sure you have My Free Score Now. We're gonna put it right here. Make sure you get your account with them. The link is in bio. Click it and you're gonna get straight to it. Get your membership. Is only $29.99. You want to elevate yourself. We gotta stop being broke, because we're doing all of this for us. So with this being said, make sure you have a good credit monitor where you can see the accounts that are affecting you, especially those ChargeOffs. You want to request your 1099-C. You want to have those forms ready when you start disputing with these credit bureaus for them to remove these items from your credit report. You want to start having your debt validation letter to send your collectors. Very important. All of these resources, in case you don't know how to do it or you're confused, I'm going to package them up in a digital product that you can buy, so that you can start sending these letters up and stop being Rugio.
It's not just important, it's also very demure and very mindful. Just learn that from my mother. She is demure and she is mindful.
So make sure that if you don't want to do it yourself or create it for yourself, you use the resources we have in the link of the description below. You can buy the templates, so you just gotta send them, fill it out and send them, and you can contact me with any questions that you have. Because right now, if you are in a situation where you're struggling, you have the information, but you don't either try to do the things that you have to do, the steps that you have to do to fix what is wrong in your credit, but you also don't reach out for help. You gotta know that everything that you do in life has consequences. So as of right now, the consequences that you took from your credit card, loans that you took, they're gonna show somewhere, in this case in your credit. And if you don't take action to fix these issues, who's gonna do it for you?
Nobody.
Exactly. You already know. Nobody's gonna do it for you. If you don't fix your stuff, who's gonna fix it?
Nobody.
Exactly. With this being said, make sure that you stay tuned to the channel for you to start taking advantage of this, so that you don't stay
Rugio.
Yes, very important this
Very
22
demure, very mindful.
this 2025. So yeah, we are right here living in the Dominican Republic with a business that we create online, and that we're going to share more in the future of how you can do it too, just in case you want to move to the Dominican Republic, because we are right here. And I have my business even though I live in the Dominican Republic. Let me show you a little bit of our view. Let's change the screen.